Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the GE Dishwasher Door Vent cover. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door vent cover. The door vent cover is where the air is circulated in the dishwasher. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the vent cover. It's located right here at the top of the door. We have to unscrew it counterclockwise. So we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to grab one of these tabs and just tap on it, get it started. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the door. Here's the old door vent cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new vent cover on, we're just going to set it in place and tighten it down. Once you get it snug, we're just going to take the flathead screwdriver again, kind of tap it, make sure it's tight. Once you have it installed, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.